So this is the Unihertz Tank 2, the successor of the Unihertz Tank. Now the Unihertz Tank has two unique selling points. Number one, it has a camping light at the back, and it is the first rugged phone to be equipped with a 22,000 mAh battery. Now the Unihertz Tank 2 also have two unique selling points. Number one, it features two camping lights at the back. That's right guys, two camping lights. The other unique selling point is a laser projector. According to Unihertz, the brightness of the laser projector is about 40 lumens. The throw ratio is 1.2:1. The resolution is HD. I think this is the first rugged phone, not just the first rugged phone, but the first smartphone to feature a laser projector. I'll still need to do some research to see how it really works. So these are the two unique selling points of the Unihertz Tank 2. And as regarding the top features of this phone, the top specs, they are not disappointing. They are very nice. The device is powered by the Helio G99, which is great. It also utilizes 12GB RAM that is expandable, a 256GB internal storage that is also expandable up to 1TB, guys. As regarding the camera, the device features 108MP primary sensor and a 64MP night vision camera. The front-facing camera is 32MP. The phone also flaunts a beautiful hole punch display. The size is 6.8 inches. The resolution is Full HD+. The battery capacity of the Unihertz Tank 2 is 15,500 mAh and it supports 66 watts fast charging. Very nice, guys. The device is a rugged phone, so it is rated IP68 and IP69K. It's also very bulky, which is expected because of its huge battery. And of course, on the right side of the phone is a power button and volume rockers. The power button also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The other side, you have a customizable key and a SIM and SD card slot. So these are the top features of the Unihertz Tank 2. It is expected to launch on June 5th. So yeah, we'll be seeing lots of rugged phones in June. The Unihertz Tank 2 is one of them. So without a doubt, the specs and features of the Unihertz Tank 2 are very nice. I'll compare this device with the Unihertz Tank to see which of the two devices has the best specs. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. If you want to share any details, any of your thoughts about this upcoming phone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.